can't even barely get my hands around it. Really good size. Whoa, heavy sucker. Woohoo! Look at the size of that puppy. Okay, baby. Thanks for the fight.
Now this is what I picked up to initially beat fasciitis. And this is the store that I got it from. I got my compression sleeves at this store. Wow, this problem went away in a couple of days with these sleeves. I use these for all my outdoor and indoor activities. God, this is such a great product.
Okay, I'm going fishing. Got my Oofos over here because of my plantar fasciitis. So when I wear my booties to go walking down toward the ocean water, see, I got those inserts in there. Let me pull it out. Even when I go out fishing, notice I have my fasciitis inserts in my booties. So when I'm walking out there, no pain. You know, even though I'm walking miles, I mean, I average about 6 miles so far this morning. I'm still walking. With my plantar fasciitis insoles, no pain, none whatsoever.
Got a couple nice sized jacks, and I was able to walk down the back with no pain with those inserts. Great product. My favorite indoor activity is bowling, so I tried the second pair for my bowling shoes.
Even here indoors at the bowling center, I use my fasciitis inserts for my bowling shoes because it was so hard for me to walk before. But now that I put the inserts in my shoes, no problem. So I can enjoy my bowling again.
I use my Oofos for my general walking purposes and the inserts for indoors. Thank you.